there, I think, is the z-axis, and what if I turn it, you'll see that they form like four different spaces. They separate from each other along that z-axis, and then when you get it cut the right way, that you can play with that as you cut the stone. So we're playing with that today and looking at a clear crystal. Very clear crystal with patterns all over the surfaces of the crystal faces, and they show the striations of this, show the crystal growth, and instead of growing like from here up this way, this crystal grew this way, sideways. And this stuff is the crystal growth phases. So, and if you drill down far enough, you'll find that those are little tiny squares, little tiny cubes actually, of carbon smushed together very tightly so that light passes through, but it's so dense from being smushed that it slows light down, and that's what causes these optical properties of the crystal. So then I put my finger under there, and it looks like it's filling up the whole stone. And just looking through this way, looks like my finger's being magnified almost. And it is actually, because it's bending the light so strongly. The density of the stone bends the light. That's what makes diamonds sparkle. And that's why they catch the light like this. Very cool. When you pick these up, they don't feel like a quartz crystal at all. Quartz feels cold and hard. These feel warm immediately. As soon as you pick it up, feels like it's about body temperature, in fact, because it is. It's your body temperature immediately, because diamond is like a superconductor for heat. That's what diamond testers look at when they test diamonds. Those little machines that you buy and stick on there. If you don't know what you're looking at and you use one of those machines, well, that's what it's looking at. It's looking at the heat transfer. And there's one machine that looks at the reflective index. That is the reflections you see over there on the far side. Not my finger, but the facets inside the stone are because diamond is so reflective. And so when you look at a diamond with a light, you can it bounces around inside the stone in a predictable manner, because the stuff has been smushed together so much. So And that's what causes the reflection things inside of diamonds.